And we are gonna do this one right here, Patio de Quina. Dun dun dun, da 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 dun. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Alright, so we're gonna be going down that way. So dun, 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 dun. So it's gonna be our little patio right there, so we're gonna go all the way down that way. Before we go down, we'll just kind of show you this temple across the street as well. So we have bamboo temple, bamboo right there, and a really amazing rooftop, and nice and actually this one has a lot of cremation in here, some really beautiful everything in there is beautiful. I'd like to film it, but since it's cremation, a lot of people do a lot of rituals in there around cremation, death, Buddhism. I won't, but it does have a nice rooftop, nice everything. But anyways, and we're kind of on this other street here, but we're going to be going down this street.
It's this is City of Dreams.
What's it? What is it?
It's a City of Dreams.
Oh yeah. Actually, this is kind of funny too. Do you notice there's a suitcase right here with a lock? So somebody locked it there permanently, right? That's kind of funny. It does look like it's been there quite a while. Okay, so let's go on down. The camera like that. And actually this one right here, we just ate here, didn't we? Yeah. This is they got some really good everything here. The food is they kind of have like a fusion macaroni, so we actually had the pork chop on. We can also get stuff like this kind of macaroni and soup, pork chop buns, kind of typical Macanese stuff. So, and I think what else did we have? We had beef fried rice as well. Oh, there's the menu right there. So there's the menu, so you can get stuff like this. I think we had, I don't know, the one that we had is here, this one. But you can also get these pork chop buns. I think another time I tried that one. Today I got that one. But all kinds of cool stuff in there. And I noticed a lot of older people come in here too, right?
Yeah.
So I think these people with the cane right there as well. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna briefly share this real quick too. But this right here, they have little, there's like Japanese tacos, taco rice, and they have boutiques in here. So we're just gonna walk briefly in here and just kind of see. You see anything interesting?
Yeah.
So it's Funny Box. And it has like, looks like it has like K-pop stuff.
Yeah.
So, hello. Is it K-pop?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks cool. Ah.
Miwa.
Oh, okay. You know him? Do you know him? Oh, famous. Thank you.
Very famous for like 5 years.
Oh, famous for 5 years. What's his name again? What's that actor's name?
The one that was there?
Yeah.
Dad, look, there's so much Pokemon.
What are these ones?
Pokemon.
Okay, because I think these little, well, they got the prices too. 180 mob. That's about 30 American dollars. So you could actually get some if you see one that you want.
There's One Piece.
That's a famous one, eh?
Mm-hmm.
It's only 10 mop.
Anime?
Some of them are like 180 mop, 300 mop, 5,000 mop.
There's Team Shoko.
Oh. Actually, there's some kids in there too.
And what's randomly cool about them is like, did you know in my school, almost everybody has a Pokemon card.
You too?
Has one of these, yeah. Has one of these cards.
Is there one that would be really impressive if you brought it to school?
Yes.
Which one?
Wait, let me find. I saw it earlier. It's around these two.
50 baht.
These three.
It's actually kind of cool.
Almost this whole row. Almost this whole row except for this one.
100 baht. I don't know if that's in dollars or not.
Well, did you know? At my school,
Yeah.
I don't really do so because I don't use much Pokemon cards, and I don't think
Thank you.
I don't think it's really much.
Yeah.
I do like them, but I don't think they're much. But then for like the P6 and P5s,
Yeah.
they bring those cards to school to do trading for money.
Wow.
Actual money.
Maybe we should go back and take a look at that.
They use at my school. They use those Pokemon cards and trades it for money.
Wow. That's actually kind of interesting.
That's why my school. There's like so many people holding Pokemon cards.
This is a little market right down here, and then this is actually a Daiso, which is also from Japan, and the Pokemon is also from Japan, where she was born. So yeah, we used to live there. So anyways, this is Patio de Quina, and it's just a little alley, and we started out at that temple, and we came out here to this. This is kind of a marketplace. So we'll probably do a separate video here, but at least we got this one. And I don't know, should we go back and take a look at those Pokemon in more detail? Yeah, we're gonna take a look back.
And I don't know if you noticed, but earlier I went to a karate competition and I got second place.
Yeah.
I forgot to tell you.
She do a quick kick. Yeah. That was pretty good. All right, so we're gonna head back to Pokemon. I think we're gonna get a card as well, so we'll show you what we got, and then we're gonna end it for Patio de Quina. So we're back in the boutique shop. So actually she's gonna try to find a really cool card, and while she's looking, I'm just gonna kind of go up and down each one of these little areas and just kind of see what's here. So our alley was that one right there, so I'm just gonna walk down this one and come back, and I might even go down this one and come back, and then go down this one and come back. So let's walk down this one real quick and come back, and we'll just kind of see what's here. Actually got more kind of Japanese, but that one looks like it's closed. This one's definitely boutique. Flowers, Mother's Day stuff, florist. And I think we're gonna have, oh, that's a flower shop. And we got more alley stuff too. So Daiso is over here, not too far away as well. So we're gonna come back there in a second. Just take a look here. Patio de Barca. So they got Moon Florist right there. And then we're just gonna walk out. Baby Kiss. So that one is for babies. And then we're gonna walk out here. And I think this is our alley that we saw earlier anyways. So yeah, we just came out that side, Patio de Quina. So some temple, Indian fast food. So we're just gonna come back in, and then we're also gonna show you what card she's gonna get. So let's go down this alley, or this corridor. I think this corridor is going to be a dead end one. Oh no, it's going to go around this way, so we're going to come back in a second. Huh, we got some more, lots more Clint GI. So I guess these are all kind of boutique shops, right? So everything's at a pretty good price. So let's go out this other way. Jade's house. All right, so I'm gonna cut it at this one, and then at the end we're gonna just show you which one we chose for the Pokemon cards. And we're kind of at this Daiso now. So yeah, there's a nice little pedestrian way right here. So we'll just walk over here real quick. So yeah, kind of a nice little space here. And we're basically inside this little building right here. All these apartments everywhere. We're gonna go back on in. Fairland, Macau. So yeah, oh, kind of a haircut shot there. Okay. So let's take a look at the Pokemon and see what we got here. Okay, so show us what you got. Sailor Moon.
Sailor Moon and Pokemon.
Dun dun dun. Pretty cool. So that was 80 mop, about 10 American dollars, and this was 30 mop, which is about
30.
About 3 or 4 American dollars.
What?
30 mop.
Wow.
Surprising?
Surprising.
Yeah, alright, so let's just kind of take a quick little look up there because we have kind of have cool stuff that we're all around. And this is our alley. That was our temple that we started at down there. And then we have our Pokemon purchaser. And we will end it right there. Alright.
Bye bye. See you next video.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Quina.